Hold single cup button or double button to enter customization mode. The first is temperature settings. Set temperature. Press single cup to increase, double cup to decrease. Press them to confirm. Set pre-wet volume. Display shows 10 milliliters, 20 milliliters. Press single cup to add water, double cup to reduce. Press them to confirm. Set pre-infusion time. Value flashes. Press single cup to increase seconds, double cup to decrease. Press them to confirm. Set brew volume. Value flashes 50 milliliters, 80 milliliters. Press theme button to confirm. Press single cup to add 1 milliliter, double cup to remove 1 milliliter. Press M to finish. Under the standby mode, hold and press the ground button, single cup button, and the manual button at the same time. The button light will go out, and the other button's light will flash 3 times. The settings will be recovered to the factory settings.